Hello, my name is Tano, and this is the Damn Gods.
So this is Vanellope's table, right, bud?
Yep.
And the back side of this table, as you can see right here, is every time we move it, it's so old that the particle board just flakes off. And every time you move past it, that means it gets all over the floor and the sheets and gets dirty. So we are going to not replace it, make it our own. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do, so that we don't stick our camper's table to, not that we care about this pristine surface here, is we're going to take down some wax paper.
I've had so many small projects on this table.
I've done so many projects in general on this table.
I've done small ones that you didn't.
Yeah.
Today we are using waterproof wood glue.
What kind of glue?
Waterproof?
Alright. Our waterproof wood glue with this $1. Not even. Was it 97 cents?
No, it was $1.25.
It was $1.25. You can't buy anything for $1 anymore. We're gonna absolutely saturate the top. I'm not even gonna take this out because it's on there pretty good. We'll just get some inside there.
Waterproof wood glue.
All right, you wanna be responsible for smearing it around, and I'll be responsible for what? You're gonna smear it around with your hands?
Yes.
No, that's when we bought a brush.
Oh.
All right, is this open?
Yes.
Yeah. Pro tip, these caps never work very good. So just take your medium and dump it right on.
Yay!
Yay! All right, son. No. All right. We're gonna not flip it around. We're just gonna spread it around like a painting.
But only white.
But only white.
Where's the sun? Where's the sky?
Let's smash it on these edges as well. Matt, we'll get that after we get this all covered.
The sides.
Oh, right. Here you go. There you go, son. That's thick stuff. It's not even moving.
I don't want to get on mail.
That's okay.
Oh.
It should dry clear.
I show no mercy.
No mercy.
I will do it if I have to.
These corners need a little bit more. What do you think?
Is this glue or paint? I can't tell anymore.
It's glue.
I just
smell it. It smells like school glue.
It smells like new paint. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Move. You got my wing up.
See how the glue doesn't really want to stick to the wax paper? That's why the wax paper's there.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Let's go around to this side. Crazy.
Yes.
Follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it. Nice. Here. Gotta get some in there. Get some in there. Get some in there.
No, Moose.
Tell the people what we're gonna do next.
We're gonna let it dry overnight.
That's exciting.
No, boy.
It's good stuff. Oh, you missed a spot here.
Oh wait, I did.
Yeah, it's okay.
We have the table fully dried now. And this would be perfect for stabbing people.
Alright, so it's probably stuck a little bit. Yep. So I'm just gonna score.
We don't have any.
No, you don't need to do a knife. You're a little bit homicidal with the brush there. We'll just
Paper
we'll
to the table.
we'll get our trusty plastic razor and we'll just
Stickers!
we've got our own stickers.
2. And my dirt bike stickers.
And we've got all these stickers from our adventures.
My dirt bike stickers for my gas
And
stick.
we've got petrol box stickers and coffee shop stickers. Okay.
Overview. Side of all these stickers. Put it towards like this end of the van because that's like the precise.
Okay.
I don't want to do that one. You can save that for your van.
No.
Why?
They're all going right here.
Come on. But don't face it near mine. I said near. Why does that be normally sits at? Give me the knife.
Center. There you go.
Let's stop on it. There.
Sure. Smash that. Now we have our new and improved, well, not new, but upcycled van table, all stickered up and ready to go back in the van. We will continue to collect stickers and wrap this table up probably over and over and over again from our events. This will be like a collage of where we've been with who, Tanner?
Vanellope.
Can you stay looking at the camera?
Vanellope.
And I think that'll just about wrap us up for today. Thank you for watching.
And I'll see you in the damn garage.
Good job.